Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix speaker not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? Speaker is not working on iPhone. First solution, you have turn off Bluetooth. So you have open the setting, click on Bluetooth. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have turn the volume of the maximum. So then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on sound and haptics. So then ringing and alerts tone. So then you have maximum volume your iPhone. Then you have on your iPhone, then set you have maximum volume, then you have listen. So then you have not full on your iPhone ringing and alerts. So then you have maximum off or off, then you have on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So then another solution, you have reset all settings. So you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings, then your problem will be fixed. Then another solution, you have clean the speaker, then he is not working. So you have a speaker side, then you have uh, soft cloth, clean the speaker, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working speaker on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will also, if you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.